Hello everybody. Once again I am here with you for the actually last session of this solid state physics related first unit, that is the crystal structure. And in this unit already we have covered number of things, and we are at nearly last stage to cover this crystal structure. Already we have seen the simple few structures which are to be related with the uh, basically closed packed structure and loose packed structures are the two categories we have seen in detail. And now in this session we are trying to discuss a little bit in depth about the sodium chloride, that is the NaCl. And already in the previous sessions we have seen what is the close packed structure, what is the loose packed structures are there, and what exactly the BCC, FCC, SC, and your HCP is also to be there. And one another type which is also called to be as an DC, that is diamond cubic structure, is also we have discussed. Now here this last one, that is the commonly known sodium chloride, that is NaCl, which is available in our day-to-day life also. And how it is to be the crystal structure is to be there. Somehow you have seen that is to be cube type of the structure in general in our day-to-day life you have seen. मोठं खडी नमक जे आपण त्याला म्हणतो, त्यामध्ये बेसिकली त्याचं क्यूब टाईपचं स्ट्रक्चर जे तुम्ही बघता ते बेसिकली NaCl खडी मीठ आपण जे म्हणतो त्याचाच हा जो NaCl जो आहे त्याच्याबद्दल आपण डिटेल आज बघणार आहोत. So what exactly the structure? No doubt it contains to be as in two things are going to be added here, or the two atoms are to be, you should be having aware about that. One is to be as an sodium and another is to be as an chloride. As you are aware about that, how it is becoming to be as an electropositive, and it is that's why it is given to be as an positive ions. Na is called to be as an, it is here shown with the positive ions, and Cl is to be as an negative ion due to the whatever the electronic configuration they are having. And while in this case the whatever be the structure it is going to be formed NaCl, and which gives the bonding, that bonding related things we will discuss in detail in the next unit. But this NaCl, when it is going to be formed, as far as our structures are going to be, we are discussing here. So we will not go in detail about the bonding. In the bonding we will see in detail how this bonding forms and what exactly, what type of the bonding is there in between them. So as far as these Na ions are to be octahedrally coordinated with the 6 Cl ions or the chloride ions are to be there. Now if you look at this stage in this diagram also, in this structure also here shown, Na plus it is to be as a completely black hole is to be, and the smaller Na ions इथं दाखवलेले बारीक एक गोल ब्लॅक होल्सच्या फॉर्ममध्ये completely भरीव असं, and which is to be Cl ions, that is hollow circle is to be there, and which is shown to be with this Cl ions. In this structure if you look at the center, if you look at this one is to be the case where it is to be as an Na ion is to be there. Now here this Na ion, that is to be octahedrally coordinated with the 6 Cl ions. Now 6 Cl ions are here. If you look at this case where this one is the Cl ion, this one is the Cl ion. If you look at this, now FCC structures you are already aware about that. Again here if you look at this stage, here it is to be as an your Cl ion, here it is to be as an here Cl ion, here it is to be as an Cl ion. Again front, and again here it is to be as a back is to be there. So if you look at this, if you count this, as good as cube is there, there are 6 surfaces, and due to that at each surface of the center the Cl ions, if you look at this 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 are together. So 6 Cl ions, it is to be octahedrally coordinated with the 6 Cl ions, that is Na ion is octahedrally coordinated with the 6 Cl ions in this fashion. And basically it is this unit cell. If you look at, this is one of the unit cell for the NaCl structure is to be there. Now in this case here, this unit cell basically showing you the mixture type of the thing as good as your FCC. You are aware about that, what is phase center cubic is to be there. At the center of the each phase, center of the each cell phase, the atoms are going to be there, and that is called to be as an phase center cubic is to be there. And in this case, this Cl ions occupy all the 4 FCC positions as good as the Na ions occupies the octahedral voids. Now to understand this, what is the octahedral conditions are to be there, that is quite interesting. In general, whenever the valleys or the empty space where it can generate, it is called as a tetrahedral positions. In the previous sessions also somewhere we have discussed in the DC, that is to be as a diamond cubic structure is to be there. Now as far as the 2 layers comes, then it gives you the nothing but to be octahedral condition is to be there. Now this is one hole where the three atoms are to be there, and when it gives you nothing but to be here as a gap, that is tetrahedral hole, it is called to be as an. And in this case, if suppose this is for the first layer, now this if suppose the same condition is for the another layer, now these are the 2 layers, this is the first one layer, this is the another layer. Now both are having the gap in between these 3 atoms are to be there. So at this stage, when the first layer and the another layer, they are very close to each other, layers are to be there, and such type of the, in this condition, the valley or the what is to be as in here, the gap is nothing but to be giving you in between these 2 layers are to be octahedral voids position, it is called to be as an. This is how the octahedral positions are to be there. Now in this case, the whatever be the condition here to be as an Na and Cl are going to be bothly working in this fashion as good as vice versa Na Cl. It is interchangeable octahedral conditions and the FCC positions. It is mixture of this. Means once if you in this condition, if you look at here, Na is surrounded by 6 Cl ions. In the next cycle or in the next unit cell, it will be interchange. That is the Cl ion is surrounded by the 6 Na ions. So it is vice versa, interchangeable voids position, octahedral void positions, and the FCC is to be there. So that's what quite interesting as far as this NaCl structure is to be there. And due to this, it makes somehow similarities or somehow given the same positions or the same give and take position in these cases as far as Na and Cl is going to be concerned. Now again, as far as this part is going to be concerned, that is NaCl structure is going to be there, the 2 interchangeable FCC sublattices already we discussed. In the same fashion, if you look at here, this in general, as far as if I want to express the NaCl structure in the same fashion, then if already we discussed that the Na is to be at the center and the 6 Cl ions are to be at these positions. Now in this case, if I want to define their positions, as we are aware about that, if the space is there and if I want to define the position, then I need to be as an particularly 3-dimensional case I have to define, and as good as this is 3-dimensional lattice, and in this case if I want to define any position or any points or any atom's position, then if suppose at this stage the Na ion, it is at the origin point. If suppose I am considering this point is an origin, because when I take a solid and somewhere I have to start, and to start at some point I have to start with the origin point, reference origin point. And in this case, if suppose this Na ion is supposed to be as an your origin point, or that is called to be as an O, at this stage if first position of this O point is, if I want to decide Na, that will become to be as an 0 0 0 along the x-axis, 0 along the y-axis, 0 along the z-axis is to be 0. And with this case, if I want to define the position of Cl ions with the origin points, then definitely it will give me A by 2 0 0 is to be there. That means to be the A, that is the first along the x-axis, whatever the position is going to be changed as far as the atom is going to be there, that is half of the atomic distances are to be there. So that relationship again, it will be very much important to understand in between the a by 2, that is interatomic distances a is to be there. In these cases it is half of that is to be there when the two atoms are going to be, and basis is of two atoms, that is Na and Cl, and when I can take how much distance far away from the each other, that is becomes to be as an 2r, and that is nothing but to be you are called as a your whatever be the interatomic distance a is to be there. Now in this case here, as far as the your NaCl structure is going to be formed, it is formed with the lattice plus the basis, and basis is of two atoms or two ions are to be there. In the next line it is shown, that is it is NaCl. In general we already discussed the structure is nothing but to be lattice plus the basis, and lattice is FCC lattice, we already seen, and basis is added here. Which is the basis? Basis is of two ions, one ion is to be Na and second ion is to be Cl is to be there. So in this case, the whatever be the Na ion occupy, that is for the FCC position, Cl ion occupies the octahedral voids. Now it becomes to be vice versa, interchangeable positions are to be there, and due to that the positions are going to be also interchangeable. So somewhere it is 0 0 0, and it will be a by 2 0 0. In the next cycle it will be again going on changing, the cycles are to be there, the vice versa. So as good as this unit cell are going to be there, that is the NaCl unit cell is to be concerned, it gives you the relationship for the four molecules relationship as far as Na and the Cl ions are to be there. So in this case, if you look at the Na structure, it is nothing but to be given with the positions, that is 0 0 0, half half 0, half 0 half 0 half half, and as far as the Cl ions are going to be concerned, it is half 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 0 0 half 0 half 0 half 0 0. So this, if you look at the, if I want to explain in this simple way, it is nothing but to be as good as your three-dimensional case is to be there. So as this is how it is to be as an first condition when I am talking about the origin. If suppose this is point origin where the starting point is to be there, if suppose this one is the starting point, and this is along the your here it is to be, we will take as a for your understanding, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and this is your supposed to be as in z-axis to see. If you now, yes, along with this is what the origin point is to be there, and this is how it is origin point having the positions for the Na, that is 0 0 0, and for the Cl that is becoming to be as an half part is to be there. That means one is going to be completed when it is from this along the x-axis, it is 0 to 1. The next point atom will be at this position, and that's why it is to be nothing but to be 0 to 1 here, and 0 to 1 position is to be next atom will be here, and 0 to 1 is to be here, and half means it is half of this one, and that is how it is going to be related with each other are to be there. This is what the Na and the Cl crystal structure atoms ions are going to be attached with each other as far as the NaCl is going to be concerned. So this is all about the what the NaCl crystal structure is to be there, and with this case the theoretical whatever the part is to be there, that is going to be over. Now moving forward for the some problems in this one problem, we are two problems we will discuss as related with the your book, whatever the reference book at this position we have, that is Puri and Babar's, and related the another more problems we will discuss in later on also. So the first thing is where the first problem is to be related with the theoretical one, that is determine the relationship between the your basically A, that is lattice parameter, and the atomic radius is to be there. As we are aware about that, this is what the radius part is going to be there. Each atom it is having the radius half of this, and although they are connected, the distance in between them we always say that it is 2r, although they are connected to each other. The distance if I want to calculate at the center point to this is 1r, and from the center to this this is 1r. That is why the two atoms distance in between them is nothing but to be 2r is to be there. So if I want to find out, as good as the monoatomic crystals are to be there, and I want to find out the lattice parameter relationship with the your radius, whatever be the your atomic radius is to be there r, and for the SC, that is the simple cubic structure is to be there. As good as we are aware about that solutions when I want to find out, and it is mono means that is the single one part is to be there, and SC, that is the simple cubic structure atom, touch one another along their cube edges are to be there. So this is what the case where it is to be, and the relationship, it is nothing but to be given A is equal to 2r. Already discussed at this position, that is to be as an, these are the two atoms connected to each other, attached with each other, but from this center the distance up to another atom, the distance is r plus r, that is 2r is to be there, and here it becomes to be as an atomic distance A is nothing but to be 2r, there where it is to be shown here in this case. As good as it is to be as an cubic, that is means the 4 atoms are to be there, and here if you add one atom is to be there, it will become to be as in 4 atoms are to be front view when you can look cube type of the structures are to be there. And in this case how it looks like to be there. So if you look at diagrammatical form for this SC structure, and it is nothing but to be, this is somehow you will look, it looks like to be as an this is how it is better to understand, this is how it looks like. So here it is to be as in your cube type structure is to be there, and interatomic distance in between them, in between these two atoms, that is to be A is equal to 2r. So A is equal to 2r means whatever be the radius, if you look at the front, like this is what the center point for the one atom, this is what the center point for the another atom. So suppose this is the A atom, and suppose that this is the B atom. So for both the this is what the r for the one r for the A atom, this is small r for the another B atom. So as if I want to find out atomic distance in between A and B atom is to be there, it is nothing but to be r plus r, 2r is to be there. So A is equal to 2r, that is how it is to be there. So in this cubic simple cubic structure, it is how somehow related with the atomic distance r, A is nothing but to be related with r is to be there. As good as this 100 is written to be as an your indices part, that is not for our study, and the another one structure, that is BCC, if I want to find out. As good as I have to understand first what is BCC, that is body center cubic is to be there, and as body center cubic is to be there, all the atoms are not only exactly on the corners as like a simple cubic structure, but there is one atom exactly inside the body of the whatever the cube is to be there. So it is called to be as an BCC, that is body center cubic is to be there. So as far as the BCC structure atoms are to be there, they are touched with each other along the body diagonals. This is what the body diagonal is to be there, and with this at this this is at the center, and all atoms are surrounded in this fashions are to be there. So if you look at this case, which is to be as the center, and all the atoms are exactly on the top and the bottoms are to be there. So in this case how it is to be along the relationship, when I want to find out, it is nothing but to be under root 3a is equal to 4r is equal to there. If I want to find out the value of a, it will become a is equal to this under root will go to the right hand side, and it will become 4r divided by root 3 is to be there. So this is how this interatomic distance is. If I want to find out, it is nothing but to be 4r. That means if you look at how it becomes to be 4r, this one complete center atom having 2r, this one is to be having 1r, this one is having to be another r. That means it covers 2r plus r, that is 4r is to be there, and divided by under root of 3, that is to be the 3 parts are to be under root of 3 is to be there, as far as the diagonal along the body diagonal part is going to be concerned, and that's why this relationship A is equal to 4r under root 3 is to be the relationship as far as the lattice points and the radius is to be there. The third one, FCC, is nothing but to be, again you are aware about that. What is FCC? As this FCC, the atoms are not exactly on the corners, but also at the center of each face of the whatever be the surfaces are there. 6 surfaces are there, and at the face of that each centers face of that each surface area, at the center whatever be the atoms are to be there, and that's why it is called to be as an FCC, face center cubic is to be there. Now here are the atoms are along the face diagonals are to be there, and in this case if you look at the whatever be the relationship is going to be concerned with the interatomic distances are to be there, as far as FCC is going to be there, it is under root 2a is equal to 4r is to be there. So in this case if you look at this is what, this is 1r, this is another r, 2r, and this is 2r, 4 r's are to be there, and it is again to be under root 2a. Now how it becomes to be as an a is equal to 2 under root 2r is to be there. So if you look at this relationship is nothing but to be under root 2a is equal to 4r. In this case if I want to find out the a value for the a1, it will become a is equal to under root 4 divided by under root 2 is to be there. मग ह्याच्या दोन्ही साईडला अप आणि म्हणजे डिनॉमिनेटरला सर समजा 2 अंडर रूट 2 जर मल्टिप्लाय केलं, इथं अंडर रूट 2 मल्टिप्लाय केलं, इथं बॉटम आणि इथं टॉप अंडर रूट 2 मल्टिप्लाय केलं, तर खाली काय होईल, अंडर रूट 2 इंटू अंडर रूट 2, that is becoming to be as in 2, because under root 4 will be there and under root 4 will be 2, that means 4 by 2 will be there, and it will become 2r, but it is to be as in 2 under root 2r is to be there, and that's why the relationship is to be like this as far as FCC is going to be concerned. This is what very theoretical problem is to be there. But the another one problem which is to be calculating packing efficiency and the density for the NaCl, right now what we have seen is to be there, and in this case the given data is also to be with us, that is the radius of the Na ion, it is given 0.98 angstrom, and radius of the Cl ion it is to be 1.81 angstrom unit, and as far as atomic mass of Na it is 22.99 AMU, as for atomic mass of the Cl is to be 35.45 AMU is to be atomic mass unit is to be there. And if I want to find out the whatever be the solutions for this case about the packing fraction, packing efficiency and the density, we are aware about that packing fraction, it is very simple to find out, but before that, what is the relationship as far as the structures are going to be concerned, we are aware about that this NaCl, Na and the Cl ions touch along the cube edges are to be there. So packing fraction, we are aware about that the relationship is to be very much easy, and before that we must have to understand lattice parameters are nothing but to be given with the very simple case, it is to be as an 2 into radius of Na plus radius of Cl is to be there. So 2 into 0.98 plus 1.81, that will give you 5.58 angstrom, that is the simple one. As far as the packing fraction is to be there, it is very simple case, we already discussed in the previous sessions also, when the structures, simple structures we discussed there, that packing fraction is nothing but to be whatever be the volume of the this is ions present in that unit cell divided by the total volume of that unit cell is to be concerned. So this is what the packing fraction part is to be there, but when I want to find out the volume of ions present in the unit cell, and that in this case the 4r is nothing but to be the atoms as far as going to be concerned. So in this but the in this NaCl structure, Na and the Cl, both the atoms are going to be combined here, and that's why the radius of Na and the radius of Cl ions I have to take into account, and that's why it is becoming to be 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is 4 by 3 pi r cube is nothing but to be the how to calculate the volume of the sphere, you are aware about that, that is the formula, plus 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, but here the radius will be for the Cl ions, and divided by a cube, that is the whatever the atoms volume of the particularly unit cell is to be there, as the size of the each atom is each side is going to be about a, and the cube will be definitely a cube is nothing but to be the volume of that particular unit cell is to be there. And if we put these values, that it will be coming to be as in here 4 by 3 pi. This is common in this case. 4 into 4 by 3 pi, it is common in this total equation. So 4 into 4 by 3, that means 4 into 4, 16 pi by 3, it is the common. That part we will take as a common one, and the remaining value is radius of your sodium cube, that is to be as an Na cube, that is to be 0.98 cube, plus whatever be the radius of the your chloride ions are to be there, the cube of it, that is 1.81 cube is to be here used, and divided by whatever be the your volume of the unit cell is to be there, that you calculated, that is 5.5 to be there. And in this case cube of that is a cube is to be like here it is to be there. Now here if we solve this basically calculations about this trigonometric relationships, then it will be coming to be as an 0.663 is to be there, or when it converts into the percentage, it will be nearly 66% is going to be there. So 66.3 is the answer for this calculation part is going to be concerned. So another part here we have to calculate, that is the density is to be there, and packing fraction, and here is to be density is to be there. So in this part density it is again already in the many times we discussed in the previous sessions also, it is related with the mass volume density relationships are to be there. As the density I have to calculate, it is divided mass divided by the volume is to be there, and mass of the unit cell you are aware about that, how to get it. It is to be as an 4 into mass of the unit is given, the values are to be there 22.99 plus 35.45 into 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27, and volume of the unit cell is nothing but to be, already we have angstrom is going to be converted into the meter part is to be there, and here due to that it will become 5.58 angstrom is converted into meter, that is into 10 raised to minus 10 is to be there. And if I want to convert it in centimeter, it will become 5.58 into 10 raised to minus 8 is to be there. So putting these values, if you calculate, the answer will be either it is 2.23 grams per centimeter cube, or it is 2234 kg per meter cube is to be there. So this is how the calculation part is to be there. It is very simple, just you have to aware about the equations or the relationship as far as the packing fraction, how it is going to be calculated. If efficiency is to be again very simple part, up to 100% it means it is to be, you have to convert it into percentage. And density, it is the actually the part related with the 12th standard, but as far as the crystal structures are going to be concerned, you have to take these take these values into account for the unit cell point of view. So this is all for this today's session, and in this case our first unit, that is the crystal structure, is completed. Next unit is to be related with the bonding in between the atoms are to be there. And till then, thank you, and be at home and be safe.